An inside corner is a lot different than an outside corner. And some experts will tell you that do one side first and the next day do the other. Other experts will say do them both the same day at the same time. And when you're on a job that has to get done, I subscribe to the latter. So let me show you what I do with my inside corners. I'm using a lightweight finishing compound, and I'm going to do both sides. It doesn't matter which side you begin to finish, so I'm going to choose this side. My first pass will be to perfect the corner while ignoring the outer edge of my 6-inch taping knife. Okay, please show them the corner. You can see that it's perfectly in the corner. And now I have to clean up this ridge. So I'm going to put pressure on this side of the knife to clean it up. The left side is not touching. Okay. In order to finish the adjacent side of the corner, we have to put the blade different. We have to put the blade differently in the corner, like this. Because if we do it like this, the side of my blade is going to take away what I just did. And I like this method very much. So let's try it. This 6-inch taping knife is made for these corners. It's a 90 here, made to fit into corners. If you go to the store and you get what's called a taping knife, an 8-inch or a 10-inch or more, don't try to do your corners with those knives. They are not made for corners. You can cover seams with those knives, but please don't try to do corners because you'll be doing it wrong. The goal here is now going to be to clean this up and to just make this tip just touch the corner. Just reverse the action with the bottom, doing the same exact result. It's just avoiding touching the corner with the edge of your taping knife, because if you do, you will not finish this corner. You will keep having to clean up the other side after you do one side. And so you get the idea. Please come on behind me. Let's just clean it up a little better. And so if you come behind me, I'll show them how we're just going to finish this off, doing the same thing with this edge. Okay, so now when this dries, all I have to do is do what you just saw one more time. When that dries, all I gotta do is take this knife, go in my corners and clean it up. That's how you take an inside or finish